So let's do some activities today. We'll do something fun activities, very simple to make, and you can make it very quickly and easily, and definitely it will boost the brain power of your kid. Logical thinking and critical thinking will be put to work in this game. So I'm Riya and this is my channel Homeschool Fun. And if you do like my games and my activities and my journey, please give me a like. Very small effort, but it will do help me a lot to grow my channel. So please do give me a like and let's jump into the video and see our fun activities. So here I have got a thick white sheet of paper, and on that I have drawn some zigzag lines. I have made 5 lines of that, horizontal lines, and now I will color it with sketch pen. You can use any color you wish to have or make, but I am using sketch pen. Here I colored all the 5 lines in different colors. Right? And now the next step is to cut it. And I will also cut it in 5 parts. I made vertical slits. You have to draw horizontal and cut vertical like this. I made 4 slits and 5 parts of it. I have taken a cardboard, empty roll of cardboard, and then like this we have to paste each paper. But mark the sequence in which you put it, and then the child has to join the puzzle like this. Join all the lines in the order, and that's a simple and easy puzzle. Ready? Here in this game I have taken this foam sheet of paper. You can take any paper or any thick sheet of paper or cardboard you can use to make this. So we will draw circles, point-sized circles, small circles, and then cut it out. We'll cut and make circles like this. We will need 8 circles in total. And then in 4 we will draw blue arrows, and in other 4 we will draw pink arrows like this on one side of it. Now we will need popsicle stick. I have hand painted them. You can take the ready ones too. And we will now make the games. I have drawn it like this. We need to mark arrows in different ways, right, left, up, down, sides. And with the 4 popsicle sticks, the colors of them, we have to add it in the middle. And you can make cross or plus design like this. Now we'll play the game. We'll see how do we play the game. First we need yellow and blue, right? And they are put in the cross way. So you have to put yellow at the bottom, blue on the top, and now we have to add the arrow. So the pink arrow comes like this. Does it come like this? No, it comes like this. Now comes blue. One is on the right, one is on the left. Facing towards which direction? This the child has to think and put it exactly the same way as we have shown in the picture. Like this. So this is correct. Now let's see another one. Here I need blue and red. So we have to place which comes first, which comes second, and it will be crossed. We have to put it, and then here we have to put 2 arrows in the direction right side and 2 arrows in left side like this. Easy and fun game. So I hope you liked it. Please do give me a like, share, subscribe. Don't forget it. Please give me a like and see you next week.